Hello. So in today's video, we're gonna discuss about Facebook bidding strategy, which is ROAS bidding strategy. Most of the people do not know about it, and they solely focus on like lowest volume bid strategy, cost cap strategy, and bid cap strategy. But ROAS strategy is the one that gives you higher ROAS while lowering your ad spend. So without further ado, let's jump to my screen and see how we can do this. So here I am on one of my ad accounts, and over here you can see like this campaign which is like retargeting ROAS CBO 19 December. So if we open this, then you guys can see that the objective of this campaign is sale, and beside that the bidding strategy of this campaign is ROAS goal. So currently this campaign is running, but once you let me show you right now. So if you click on create campaign, then you select the objective of sales over here, click continue, proceed with manual sales campaign. Then after that, just run off right now. And over here, you're gonna see a couple of options. So this one is a default option, which Facebook suggests you most of the time that you should proceed with this uh, bidding strategy objective. But below that, you can see cost per result goal, ROAS goal, and bid strategy. So we're gonna discuss each one in the upcoming videos for now. And for the purpose of this video, we're gonna discuss about ROAS goal. Then let me get back to that campaign to show you how this is gonna work. So simply click on edit, and over here you can see that we have selected campaign bid strategy to ROAS goal. So you need to understand how this ROAS strategy works. It doesn't work like this way, like if you put a ROAS of like 10 ROAS or 20 ROAS, then you're gonna get purchases right away. Facebook saw the history of your previous conversions, previous ROAS, previous cost per acquisition that you were getting. Then on the basis of that, you need to put that ROAS over here, and on then after that you're gonna get purchases. And beside the ROAS, you need to check the creatives as well. So for now, what's the best practice of it? So the best practice to put a ROAS goal is default ROAS, which is like 0.0010, which is a default ROAS, and Facebook suggests this in all of your campaigns. Whatever campaign you want to publish, uh, make sure that campaign objective, campaign building strategy should be ROAS goal. The default ROAS will automatically be appeared in the ROAS section, which will be 0.010. So let me show you that as well. So in this campaign, we selected the bidding strategy to ROAS goal. Now, if I were to show you over here, I didn't do anything. I only selected website as an optimize as an event. And as you can see over here, like the default ROAS from Facebook is 0.010. This is the best practice to start with since you are just starting out. And believe me, you gonna get purchases higher than that. It doesn't mean like you will get purchases at 0.0. Your ROAS will be like 0.010. As per my experience, you're gonna get purchase maybe around like 2 ROAS, 3 ROAS, and 4 ROAS as well. It depends on your creatives as well, that how many creatives are you putting in the campaign and what type of creative you are already putting in the campaign. But the best practice is to start with 0.010 ROAS, and gradually you're gonna increase it. So for example, you launch the campaign and you start getting purchases and your cost purchase and your ROAS is really good. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply increase your ROAS. So if you started with 0.0, then after that, a few days, you need to see like you are getting consistent purchases and your ROAS is really good. Then you're gonna simply increase from 0.010 to 1 ROAS. And after that, a few days, you see that all right, I'm getting consistent purchases now, and my ROAS is pretty good. Then after that, you're gonna increase to 1.5, then 1.8, and 1.9. Then after that, 2. So it depends on the scenarios, but you need to understand that what ROAS are you getting and what ROAS is profitable for you. So for example, 2.5 ROAS may be profitable for me, but maybe you have a different product, a different target market. So maybe like 5 ROAS is a break even for you and you will be profitable at a ROAS of like 6 or 7. So this will vary from industry to industry. So you need to know about your business and your risk. So if you see over here, like we have spent approximately $1,000 on this campaign. The add to carts, we got like 2,000, approximately 2,100 add to carts, 667 checkouts, and 349 purchases with a consistent ROAS of 2.79 and approximately 3,000 purchases. So this is really good. You only need to know how to use this strategy. And as I suggested, you need to start with default ROAS 0.0. I cannot emphasize on this. You don't need to put like 5 ROAS and 10 ROAS and, pray from God, like I will start getting purchases right away. That's not the way Facebook algorithm works. So hope you get this. And then after that, if we talk about the creatives, then what type of creative should you add in this? So you need to add multiple type of creatives. As you can see that I already have added a bunch of creatives. I do not add like one creative, two creative, or three creatives over here. I tested a few creatives over here. Then I finally found my three or four creative, which is like dynamic product ads, collection ad, and influencer video, which is performing really well. So you need to make sure that you add a lot of creatives and make sure that if you already have a bunch of winner creatives, then that would be great. You simply need to go and click on create campaign. Then after that, you're gonna duplicate your winning ads into that specific ROAS campaign. And probably you're gonna start seeing purchases within like very first day and second day. So hope you get this. And this is a pretty amazing strategy. And I'm using this since from past like 12 to 14 months, and I'm getting consistent and really good results for some of my ad accounts. And as you can see that we got like $3,000 from this one single campaign. And imagine like if you can launch like 3 to 5 campaigns similar to this, and you can blow your like ad account with a consistent purchases and consistent return on ad spend as well. So hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section, and I will be happy to help over there. And yeah, if you like this video, consider subscribing my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.